We will be making Tehri today, a delicious rice dish from Ayodhya that can be cooked in one pot. Although it is very similar to biryani and pulao, it tastes completely different. Learn about its origins as we prepare this heartwarming dish. Start by heating a pressure cooker with 2 tablespoons of ghee. Add a couple of bay leaves, black cardamom, cinnamon, green cardamom, cloves, and cumin seeds and temper for a few seconds. Then add a split green chili and thinly sliced onions. Fry until the onions turn translucent and start to take a brownish hue. Add ginger paste and garlic paste and fry till the raw smell goes away. Add tomatoes cut in quarters and fry until they are well done. For ground spices, add coriander powder, cumin powder, red chili powder, turmeric powder, fennel seed powder, and garam masala. Cook the spices for a minute with little sprinkles of water so that it does not burn. Add salt according to your preference and mix well. For the veggies, we will add florets of cauliflower, peeled and diced carrots, green beans, peeled and quartered potatoes, and some green peas. Fry the vegetables with the masala for 3 minutes on medium flame. We had earlier cleaned and soaked basmati rice for 30 minutes. Drain the rice and add to the pressure cooker. Gently stir it in, making sure not to break the long grain rice. For the given amount of rice and vegetables, pour in 2 cups of water. Bring it to a brisk boil and then cover the lid of the pressure cooker and let it cook on high flame until one whistle. As our Tehri cooks, join me as we explore the history of this dish. The recipe of Tehri is mentioned with the name Tapahari in an ancient Ayurvedic cookbook, the Pagdarpan, written in the Sanskrit language in 1200 CE by Maharaja Nal of the Kingdom of Nishad. which was a preparation of rice cooked with vegetables and other ingredients which uses meat of hen. The modern version of Tehri is believed to have been invented by the Kayastha community, who were bookkeepers in the court of Awadh serving Mughal emperors. Inspired by the biryani in the royal kitchen, they made a vegetarian version according to their dietary preferences. There are many versions of Tehri found throughout the entire Indian subcontinent, which have their unique takes on the recipe. It is believed during the Battle of Palashe and Buxar in 1757, the entire three forces Awadh, Bengal and Hyderabad were working together to keep the British East India Company at bay, so there was intermingling of soldiers. Tehri is assumed to have eaten commonly then, as it was very easy to prepare. In Ayodhya, within Uttar Pradesh, Tehri is prepared differently. The most common version involves individual grains of rice coated with fat called khule chawal. When the new harvest season begins, it becomes lumpy as a result of the presence of starch. As Basant approaches, the vegetables and greens are at their best, and the bright yellow dish symbolizes Basant Panchami. Let the pressure drop naturally after taking it off the heat, and then open the lid. The rice should be fluffy and fully cooked and not mushy. Add chopped coriander leaves and gently mix it in using a spoon. And we are done. Serve hot with fried papad and your favorite pickle. Thanks for watching.